Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be installing some spacers on your 10th gen Honda Civic. Let's go. You guys are probably wondering what is behind me. Why is the FK7 so full? And why am I sitting in here? Well, if you guys are members of my Discord channel, I did announce that we recently got a house. So today, I'm actually going to be taking my stuff to that house. It is a 5-hour drive. It's all the way to Pittsburgh. But we're not going to be moving there just yet. Today's the first day that I started to move some stuff. That's why the car is pretty full. But that's going to be in another video. But basically we got a house there. There's a garage. It's a 2-car garage, so I finally get to keep my 2 10th gen Honda Civics inside of a garage, so that way it's not exposed to the element. Just like right here, if you can see, the Type R has a cover on it, because I will be away for 2 days, so I don't want to get like bird poop on it, because it is starting to get a little bit warm out. Right now it's 57 degrees out, so I don't want the Type R to get dirty when I come home. But anyways, that's enough of that. Let's get back to the video. Today's video, like I said in the intro, is going to be installing spacers on your 10th gen Honda Civic. The wheel spacers come nicely packaged in this box. There's a lot of plastic wrap all over it, so that it could be protected while shipping. And basically looks like this. Out of the box you get 2, because these right here are for the rear, and it already says torque to 94 foot-pounds, torque to 94 pound-foot of torque. So we're gonna do just that, and these are gonna be on the rear of the Type R. Now my winter setup, currently you can't really see much of a gap right here, whereas with the stock wheels, once I put the stock wheels back on, you're gonna see a huge gap. So here is a before shot of the stock wheels of the Type R. Even with these winter ones, you still have kind of a little bit of space. Front ones, they're fine. I might have to buy another separate spacers for the front, but for the rear, we definitely need to have spacers back there. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with the spacers. Now, you have to torque this to 94 pound-foot of torque. I went ahead and did 95. And I also cleaned this as well as this right here. There is a little bit of rust over there, but you can easily get that off. But there you go. It adds a little bit of space. This is a 27 millimeter, I believe. We're gonna put the stock wheel back on now so that we can see the difference. Alright guys, so the final step for this is to check your tire pressure, make sure everything is up to spec, and then it says drive it for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna go for a short drive to see if there's anything wrong with these wheels that I just installed, but I highly doubt it. because I've triple checked that everything is torqued to the correct pound-foot of torque. But yeah, this is the final result. And you see the wheels now? It's like it's poking out a little bit, and it's sitting flush with this rear fender. So if we look over here on the back, it's not going to look as awkward as it did before because the wheel is sticking out a little bit now. Here's this side right here. And it looks like the car is sitting a little bit high. It might be because the springs haven't settled. But I don't know, we'll see. Drive for 10 minutes, see if it goes a little bit low, because it does look a little bit high. So in the future, we might have to lower this a little bit, just, you know, maybe an inch or so. Nothing too major. But yeah, this is the final result. This stock, this was actually hidden. You won't be able to see the tire or the wheel. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results. Super worth it. Again, it's a 27mm spacer from Perrin. Highly recommend it. The Type R looks so aggressive, so much meaner with the spacers. It's like it belonged to be put on the Type R. So I don't know what Honda was thinking, putting a little fender right here but not extending the tires out here. I know it's a science thing, that it's designed for track use, whatever. I know some of you guys are going to comment that, but still, aesthetic wise, they should have made the wheel push out a little bit so that it'll match this body kit right here, because it does look kind of weird with this little body kit right here on the side, and then the wheels are going to be like tucked in. That just looks weird in my opinion. But yeah, this looks so much better. Highly recommend getting spacers for the 10th gen Civics, because the wheels are, again, they're tucked in, hidden away from plain sight. If we go over here, it is a little bit poking out, especially when you go down here. But yeah, it's highly worth doing. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making in the future, comment down below, because I do read them. I just don't have the time to comment to each and every one of you anymore, because like I said, I am busy with the home search or / home move. But yeah, there's gonna be more videos to come as soon as I get settled in my new house, and I'll be showing you guys the new place as soon as we officially move there. But for now, thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.